Baguettes are quite essential French food. You just need flour, water, yeast, and salt, making a baguette much more complex and time consuming. In this video, I'm going to show you easy way to make French baguette with Indian masalas. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special, one more variety of baguettes. First, in a small bowl, take 50 ml of lukewarm water and to this add 10 grams of sugar and mix. Sugar helps in yeast growth. When sugar melts, add 4 grams of dry yeast, mix and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drop the yeast water in a mixing bowl. Add 100 grams of curd, one whole egg, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well all the ingredients to get single consistency. When all the ingredients mixed well, add 280 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of salt, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now mix all the ingredients to form a dough. When all the dry ingredients mixed well, knead the dough. When the dough is not sticking to your hands, stop kneading. Apply oil to another bowl. Make dough into round shape. Place the dough in the bowl, cover it with damp cloth or stretch film and rest it for about 1 hour or till it grows double in size. When dough becomes double in size, press the dough to release the gas out. Make the dough into round shape. Cover and rest it for 1 more hour or till it grows double in size again. Look, our dough grows double in size. It's ready to make baguettes. Drop the dough onto a working surface. Roll the dough and cut into small pieces and make them into rounds. Size depends on your oven size. Here I'm cutting according to my oven size. Now with the help of roller, roll it out to flat shape. Now from one end, fold the edges inside and roll to form a cylindrical shape. Press the edges to seal the dough. Now place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Make sure that baguettes are not touching each other. After you have finished making all, cover and rest till they grow double in size. You can use damp cloth or stretch film. After they grow double in size, apply egg yolk wash for shining. Now with the help of blade, make cuts as per your wish. After you make cuts, bake in preheated oven at 170 to 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our tasty spicy masala baguettes are ready. Trust me, taste is very delicious.